Design View, or Designer in Visual Studio, allows users to view and edit master pages, web pages, HTML pages, and user controls on a form, as it would appear in real time. The Designer provides a rapid development solution for creating applications. It lets you easily add controls, arrange them, set their properties, and write code for their events. With the latest updates in Visual Studio, the Legacy Designer tab is not available by default. If the Design tab is not available, or is not displayed by right-clicking the form, and selecting the View Designer option, you can enable it easily. With the latest updates in Visual Studio, the Legacy Designer tab is not available by default. Thanks for watching.